Each week, me and my Husky pick an underdog fighter who we think has a real chance of winning. This week's Dog of the Week is...
When you lose the bell, it tastes like shit. I never try shit, but I think this is the taste of the shit, you know?
Notice it till now. I'm looking at it. Oh, they're slinging. Wow. There's that left kick from Reyes. Reyes really starting to open up, but Jan Blachowicz continues to land. 30 seconds to go in the round. She's Reyes in a world of trouble. Jan Blachowicz has done it. He's the undisputed UFC light heavyweight champion. Poland, your guy got it done.
You got it? I hope so.
Jan is all we could get, and I was looking for everything and more. Jan's a tough guy. Not many people know about him. He's quiet. He's Polish. Doesn't really have much charisma. He's stiff. He's slow, and he's not technical. So
taking his underhook. Good job here. He's got double underhooks now.
With so much time being spent.
The career of Jan Blachowicz.
So this is the end of the first round. This is the bell, and when Luke Rockhold gets dropped. But now let's take a look at the end. Oh my goodness. That is a picture perfect left hand to the chin on the break.
Do it. Do it now.